So in this problem you have been given two numbers and you have to find which number is greater. The first number is 9 raised to the power 63 and the second number is 6 raised to the power 93. Both number basically contains digit 3, 6 and 9. Now to solve these kinds of problem, first we need to look for exponent and bases. Now in this case if you see, the base is 6 and here base is 3, not same. Exponent is 63 and exponent is 93, not same. So what should I do? How should we proceed? One way to solve such kind of problem is to take ratio. And once you find ratio is greater than 1 or less than 1 or equal to 1, depending upon that you can decide which number is greater, less or equal. So let us find ratio. So we'll consider this ratio 9 raised to the power 63 and this divided by 6 raised to the power 93. Now see, in the numerator we have 9. 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2 and this is raised to the power 63 and this divided by 6 can be written as 3 times 2 raised to the power 93. Now here I will use rules of power. That is, if you have a raised to the power m raised to the power n, this can be written as a raised to the power m times n. Or this can also be written as a raised to the power n raised to the power m. So this is one rule. And the second rule is, if we have ab raised to the power m, then this can be written as a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. So let us apply these two rules in the given condition. So now, as I said, we can exchange the powers or exchange the exponent. You have m raised to the power n and then it becomes n raised to the power m. So this means I can exchange the exponent. So here I can write 3 raised to the power 63 and raised to the power, or basically in this case what we can do is first multiply. Let us multiply. We can also write m into n. So this can also be written as m times n. So let us say, consider this rule. This I can write 3 raised to the power, so 3 raised to the power 2 times 63. Why I am doing this? Because in the denominator I will also have 3 raised to the power. Now if I use this rule, I will have 3 raised to the power 93 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 93. And in the numerator, if you multiply, this becomes 3 raised to the power 126 divided by 3 raised to the power 96 into 2 raised to the power 93. Now see, you have 3 raised to the power 126 and this divided by 3 raised to the power 96 multiplied by 1 raised to the power 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 93. Now the rule again, we have a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. This can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. So if I use this rule, I can simplify this term further. So this will be 3 raised to the power 126 minus 96 and this divided by 2 raised to the power 93. Basically I made a mistake. This is not 96, this is 93. So this is 93. So this is 93. So this becomes 3 raised to the power 33 and this divided by 2 raised to the power 93. So I can further write this term 3 raised to the power 33 divided by 2 raised to the power 33 multiplied by, because power gets added, raised to the power 33 and 2 raised to the power 27. So if you add all this thing, this term and this term, this will be 93. So now we can basically write 3 raised to the power 33 divided by, so this becomes 2 raised to the power 66. 66 I will write 2 into 33 and this multiplied by 2 raised to the power 27. So now this becomes, now if I use the rules of power, 3 raised to the power 33 divided by, so I can write this is 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 33 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 27. So I am using rules of power. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. So 3 raised to the power 33 divided by 4 raised to the power 33 into 1 by 2 raised to the power 27. Now further I can write 3 by 4 raised to the power 33 multiplied by 1 by 2 raised to the power 27. Now see, 3 by 4 is less than 1. And if you cube, this is further less than 1. 1 by 2 raised to the power 27, this is also a smaller number. This is less than 1. So if you multiply two numbers that is less than 1, final product will be less than 1. This means now I can say the ratio is less than 1. What was the ratio? So this term. So ratio, that is 9 raised to the power 63 divided by 6 raised to the power 93 is less than 1. This means if I use the rules of inequality, I can say 9 raised to the power 63 is less than 6 raised to the power 93. You can also say the same thing, because this number is less than 1, this means denominator has to be larger. Denominator has to be larger. Then only this ratio will come less than 1. This is the same thing, the denominator is 6 raised to the power 93. So this is a greater number in this case. So we decided using the ratio which number will be greater number. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.